Hi, good evening, Miss Grace Vidal and everyone. Today I will talk about passive voice. First of all, what is the passive voice for you? The passive voice is used to show interest in the person or thing that is the object of an action, rather than the person or thing that performs the action. In other words, the most important person or thing becomes the subject of the sentences. So, from the meaning of the passive voice, we know that to form a sentences correctly, it will be there. Subject más verb to be, conjugado, más past participle, más complement. And now, if we want to form sentences in the tense that we know are. As we saw, they are simple present, present continuous, simple past, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future, and future continuous. We must know that each one of it all different from at the time of conjugation, which we will explain below. Yeah. If it is the present simple, we will use is or are. Present continuous is been or are been. Simple past was and were. Past continuous we use was or were been. Present perfect use has been. Past perfect use had been. Future use will, and future continuous use will be been. We will transformation the following sentences in active voice into passive voice. Active voice. Natalie cleaned the room. The sentences is in active voice, and we are going to change into passive voice with the tenses that explain. First, simple present. The room is cleaned by Natalie. Present continuous. The room is being cleaned by Natalie. Simple past. The room was cleaned. Past continuous. The room was being cleaned. Present perfect. The room has been cleaned. Past perfect. The room had been cleaned. Future. The room will be cleaned. And future continuous. The room will be being. And according to the time, you can put the complement. To make it easier, you should know that when you see the word continuous, you will always use the word being. And when you see the word perfect in a sentences, it will always use being. Clearly using the tense that it easier is are, were, was, will, has, or had. Thank you so much for your attention, Miss Grace Vidal and everyone.